Blue J-HUV is used to detecting voltage state for MV-HUV switchgear. The VDS consists of voltage indicator, high voltage sensor, 2 meters cables and capacitive insulators or coupling electrodes. Blue Jay Capacitive Voltage Indicator includes LED indicator and test point for each phase, power indicator, lock indicator, self-test button and test button. When high voltage lines or equipment are energized, the high voltage sensor picks up a low voltage signal. This signal is sent through a cable to the capacitive voltage indicator, lighting up the L1, L2, and L3 lights. Here are different capacitive voltage indicator wiring diagram. Blue Jay Capacitive Voltage Indicator can be installed on different switchgears. It can be used to indicate voltage presence at all medium voltage, MV and HUV networks such as switchgear, ARMU, etc.